Hivers, welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today we're going to be making sketch number 7 from Kendra's card challenge number 20. You can go to kendrascardchallenges.com to download, find out how to download this free PDF with all the measurements and cutting guides. Okay, and like I said, we're going to be making sketch number 7 today. We're going to be using the Peaceful Garden Designer Series paper, elements from the Make a Memory scrapbooking kit, as well as the Lovely Florals stamp set, okay? But before we get started on our project, of course, we have to go over the buzzworthy business of the day. We have our Wrapped in Cheer paper pumpkin kit that's going to make 8 festive goodie boxes. Mossy Meadow is the classic stamping spot. We have the Abundant Joy add-on dies for $12 that coordinates with October, November, and December paper pumpkin kits. And I do have a link in the description box below for you to sign up for the paper pumpkin if you haven't already done so. Next, we have our Stampin' Rewards program where you earn 10% on all orders $20 or more, excluding tax and shipping. Redeem rewards on future orders. Track and save rewards in your online Stampin' Up account. Rewards expire after 12 months of the earning date. Next, we have our best starter kit offers ever. Join Stampin' Up with $35 plus tax, and you get to choose $125 worth of product in your starter kit. Or you can spend $99 plus tax and get $189 worth of products in your starter kit, and it's going to ship for free. Both options give you $90 for free in that kit. You have until the 31st of October 2025 to take advantage of this offer. We would love to have you join Stampin' Up and be a part of my team, Honeybee Stampin' Hive, okay? So next, we have our mystery boxes. These are the medium flat rate USPS boxes that I have stuffed full of new and used retired Stampin' Up product. I'm asking just $35 for each box. Shipping is included. If you're interested, email me at stampwithshawna@gmail.com. And that is all of our buzzworthy business for the day. So let's go ahead and get started on our project. The first thing we're going to do is the inside of our card. We have 2 pieces from the card challenge, and we're going to add those onto the inside of our card base. Well, our card layers for the inside of the card base. And we're going to add a little bit of glue. Let's see, what is this one? We're going to put this right here at the top of our card stock. Then we're going to get this one and add it right next to it, just a little overlap, just like that. Get our Stampin' Seal to add this layer to our, what is the Secret C? That is 5 by 3 3/4. The white is 3 1/2 by 4 3/4. And this is going to go inside of our card base that is thick basic white, 8 1/2 by 5 1/2, scored at 4 1/4. So that is our inside done and decorated. Now, if you noticed, all the other cards I've been making in this challenge, the insides were not decorated, but these pieces were actually set out to be on the inside of the card in her sketch that she set up. So then we're going to add this piece of pattern paper from the Make a Memory scrapbooking kit. Where's my glue? This one is getting added onto the front of the card base. This is pattern paper F and her cutting guide. I'm going to add that right there. Then we're going to do some stamping, okay? So I have some basic white here that we're going to stamp on. I'm going to need some scrap paper because we're going to be stamping off the sides of this. So I have Petal Pink ink, and I'm going to stamp this floral image. Put it right here at the top. We're going to stamp it again right over here in this corner like that. Okay. And then we have some Secret C ink, and we're going to stamp a sentiment that says picture perfect. And we're going to get this inked up, and we are going to stamp that right here at the top. Just like that. I wonder if I can get this in here. I'm going to try to do this, but I'm going to do it off camera. Whew, I did it. Okay, because the T didn't stamp all the way down. Okay, so now that's all we needed that for. So we're gonna take this piece and glue it to a Secret C matting layer. So we have that right here. Just gonna get that added on, just like that. And then we can put this onto our card base using our liquid glue so we have wiggle room. I want to put this, try to get equal spacing around the 3 sides there, just like that. Then I have this piece of Secret C strip that I have bannered the ends. And we're going to add this across our square here, kind of right in the center, like that. Just like that. Then I have an element from the Make a Memory scrapbooking kit. This is a sticker that says smile, and I want to add this right down here. Oh wait, where's my take your pick tool? We have a little piece that didn't pop out. Come on. Okay, now it's sticking to my fingers. So we want to put this right down here like so. Okay, and then next we have our pattern paper pieces from our card challenge. This is pattern paper A. These are little circles that we're going to pop up. I'm going to pop these up just like this. We're going to put one there, one here, let me see, and one in the middle. I put one dimensional on the back side, just like that. Okay, and then we're going to take our, oops, that is not the lid to my glue. Then we're going to take the low profile dots. I think we're using low profile dots. Yeah, I wrote down all the things I wanted to use on this. And we are going to get the petal pink, and we're going to add a big one in the middle of each circle. Just like that. Then we're going to take 2 small ones. Let's put one right here and one right here. I was going to put them down here, but I think I like them down here to pull that into the card. I don't want these at the same or almost the same. Oh no. Let's put that down here a little bit like that. Yeah, that's better. Okay, that is our card done. Isn't that cute? Picture perfect, smile. Then you can write whatever you want in there. That's like a generic card. So you don't have to, it's not event specific. Okay, you guys, that's it. That's all. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I want to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later. Bye.